Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Gameloop on Windows 10 or Windows 11. But before installing, let's have a quick review of Gameloop. Gameloop is an Android emulator developed by Tencent. Its main purpose is to let you install and play Android games on your PC using a keyboard and mouse. While it's best known for Tencent titles, you can install and play almost any Android game through the emulator. Some of the most popular games people play on Gameloop include PUBG Mobile, Call of Duty Mobile, Free Fire, Clash of Clans, Clash Royale, Brawl Stars, and even casual games like Subway Surfers and Hill Climb Racing. One of Gameloop's biggest strengths is performance. Since it's built specifically for gaming, most titles run smoothly with stable frame rates. Shooter games in particular feel responsive with low input lag and smooth camera movement, especially on mid to high-end PCs. You can run it on a PC with 4 GB of RAM, but for smoother performance and a better overall experience, 8 GB of RAM is recommended. Gameloop fully supports key mapping, and it's very easy to customize. You can remap your keyboard and mouse exactly the way you want. Movement keys, aiming, shooting, skills, inventory, everything can be adjusted. You can even tweak sensitivity settings to match your playstyle. This makes games feel much more natural compared to touchscreen controls. Gameloop also has official support for many major games. This is important because using unofficial emulators can sometimes lead to account bans. Since Gameloop is officially supported for games like PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty Mobile, so there is no risk at all. Now, let's see how to install Gameloop. First, open your browser and search for Gameloop. Open first website. This is official website of Gameloop. Now click on the download button on the top. And your setup file will start downloading. When downloading finishes, right-click on the setup file and open it to run the installation. The setup window will appear. If you want to install it on any other location, click on Installation Options. Now here choose your drive where you want to install it. I will recommend to keep it as it is, if you have enough space on your main drive. Now, click Install to begin the installation. It will begin downloading the required files. After that, it will automatically start installing. Just wait until the process finishes. When the installation finishes, you will see Gameloop's icon on your desktop. Now, click on Start to run the emulator. So this is the main interface of Gameloop. Here you will find all Android games, and installing them is also very easy. Just open the game you want to install. After that, click on Install, and it will start downloading. Once the download is complete, click play, and the game will start loading. As you can see, the game is running very smoothly on my laptop. The interface looks just like it does on a normal Android phone, which makes it easy to use. If you want to customize your keyboard controls, simply click on this icon at the top. The key mapping menu will appear, where you can add, remove, and customize all the controls exactly the way you want. And that's how we can install and play Android games on our Windows PC or laptop. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like it and subscribe to support our channel.